Once the BOM is in place, balloons can be used to tie the information in the table to the parts in the assembly view. Because balloons are a type of annotation, you can use Insert, Annotation, Balloon from the drop-down menu, or the balloon icon on the Annotations toolbar. Once the command is selected, your pointer will show a small picture of a balloon next to it. All you do now is click on the parts in the drawing view, and balloons will appear with the appropriate item number. If you pick on a face, the leader will attach with a dot. If you pick an edge or a vertex, the leader will attach with an arrow. Once the balloons are in place, click OK and position the balloons as you please. When a balloon is highlighted, the Property Manager appears, allowing me to change the size and shape of the balloon. In the Style section, I can load a previously saved balloon style or add a new style to use in future drawings. The Balloon Settings section is where the appearance of the balloon is determined. I can change the shape of the balloon and the size. Notice there is a user-defined option allowing me to numerically specify the size. I can also change the content of the balloon. Finally, there is a quantity section. Once I click on the check, a quantity value is placed next to the balloon. This quantity is parametrically connected to the part, which eliminates the need to create a separate note. You can also let Solidworks create all of the balloons for you using the Auto Balloon command. I'll highlight the view to make it active, and select Auto Balloon from the Insert, Annotations drop-down menu, or select the Auto Balloon icon. Here you can select the orientation in which the balloons will appear around the view. For this example, I'll select Top and click OK. Just as we saw a second ago, I can still position the balloons anywhere by dragging them.